Now guys, I know I do a lot of reviews where I talk about different products and things like that. One of the most important things, and I need y'all to know this for sure, is that I tell you guys the absolute truth on my channel. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, hit that bell button so you can get notifications every time I upload a new video, and smash the like button. Today, we are going to be doing this head, child. Now listen, right now, it's got the fro going on here, but you know, earlier today, it was greasy, and it was oily, and it was itchy, and now my scalp feels absolutely wonderfully clean thanks to the 5A Juniper Scalp Purifying Liquid Shampoo. And let me tell you, hunty, the fact that you can actually start your hair washing process without using water, number one, is definitely got me sold, okay? This is the Aromase 5A Juniper Scalp Purifying Liquid Shampoo. This is perfect if you've got dermatitis, if you have, you know, a buildup of sebum or just product buildup, any dandruff, any itchy scalp. This is a soothing and conditioning scalp treatment that will most definitely benefit you, okay? So, and let me show you guys. It is really thin, right? So let me just put that, see how thin that is and airy? When you put this on your scalp, it immediately starts to clean. It feels really good. It's got a very minty, just a very soothing effect on the scalp. I've already tried it, so this is low-key kind of a review already because I did try the product already at home. I did give my hair a good wash this morning. My hair feels so much cleaner. I had been wearing my hair in a bun for a little bit, so I had product buildup. I had all that going on. I did also use Red Rose Damage Recovery Conditioner as well as their anti-hair loss essential shampoo, which I actually wasn't going to use, but I decided to use it because I was noticing that I was having a lot of shedding. So I was like, you know, this might be a good thing for me to do. So I did go ahead and give this anti-hair loss essential shampoo by Aromase a try, as well as the Red Rose Damage Recovery Conditioner. This is sort of a pre-poo step, so this is going to be perfect for you if you've got itchy or dry scalp. Even if you have alopecia, or if you are you got buildup, product buildup, this is going to be perfect for you. One thing that I did notice was that on the sides here, there are these little markings here that let you know how much you should be using. I'm pretty sure I used twice the amount that I was supposed to use today, but it was good, it was needed, okay? Purifying, liquefying shampoo, as well as the Red Rose Recovery Conditioner and the Anti-Hair Loss Essential Shampoo by Aromase is super, super, super amazing shampoo and conditioner. The Anti-Hair Loss Essential Shampoo was really good as well. It lathered so well. Like, I had did maybe one good wash with this, but I was really scrubbing my hair for a little while, and then I got it under the water. The moment that I took this shampoo and put it on my hair, it was immediately lathered, immediately felt clean. It was great, and I felt really good. All right, guys, so I'm in my bathroom. It's wash day, and my hair is dry, it's itchy, it's dirty, and I'm so ready to get it all clean. So obviously today we are going to be using the Aromase their 5A Juniper Scalp Liquefying Shampoo, as well as their Anti-Hair Loss Essential Shampoo. We're gonna give that a little try as well. And then, of course, we're gonna top it off with the Damage Recovery Conditioner, which is actually really great for dry, damaged hair. Now, on the website, it does say that it's a pre-shampoo, and so this is going to be perfect to use to cleanse the scalp prior to your cleansing treatment and shampooing session. As you can see, really cute bottle. On the side here, you can see it has little tick marks almost that you can keep track of how much to use. Now, the way that you're supposed to use this, once again, this is a pre-shampoo. It's great for cleansing your scalp. It's going to be especially helpful for you if you've got dry, itchy scalp, which I definitely do right now. So we're gonna be using this immediately. So you just go ahead and take off the seal. You're gonna put this back on. And then obviously you're going to twist. Now this pre-shampoo is actually meant to be used on dry hair, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead, my hair is all over the place as you guys can see, and you guys have seen on my channel many times how serious I am about, ooh, yes, feel it, oh yes, okay. So basically you're just taking this and you're going to put it on the scalp, okay? I'm just gonna give it a little go here. And as you can see, on dry hair, already I'm sudsing up here. Look at this. See that? Already, I don't have any, there's no water on my hair, guys. My hair is completely dry. Just gonna put a little bit in there. And then you have to rub that into the scalp. Yes.
And as you can see, I am enjoying this process. Right now, we're using the 5A Juniper Scalp Purifying Liquid Shampoo. And as you can see, it is super easy to use. It is going to instantly begin to cleanse the scalp as soon as you apply the shampoo to the scalp. You just begin to massage, and a good massage will help the cleansing process to work. Now, this is going to be the best way to get that scalp clean. No more dryness, no more itchiness. If you've got psoriasis, if you've got, dermatitis, if you've got any dry, itchy issues that you've been dealing with, or greasy scalp, this is going to cleanse that out right now. In addition to that, this also is the best scalp cleanser, and you can also use this as a deep scalp cleanser. It will soften and remove any scalp buildup and definitely combats dandruff effectively.
It's instantly cleansing. The moment that you put this onto the scalp and you begin to rub, it is instantly cleansing your scalp and removing any dry, itchy, dandruff. Now we're going to go into the next shampoo from Aromase, which is the Anti-Hair Loss Essential Shampoo. And as you can see,
next up, we've got the Anti-Hair Loss Essential Shampoo. This is great because it strengthens the degreasing effect and oil control and prevents hair loss, okay? With its DHT blockers, this is going to help to rebuild the thickness and fullness of your hair. And if you have any thinning hair, it is going to help to stimulate that hair growth again. Now, this is also going to help you maintain your hair's vitality and make it stronger and healthier.
Next, we're going to do the conditioner. But I'm a natural girl with lots of thick curly hair, so I am going to make sure that I use more than enough. Oh, first of all, it smells delicious.
And last but certainly not least, we've got the Red Rose Damage Recovery Conditioner, which is easy to rinse off, okay? This hydrating formula leaves your hair feeling silky smooth without any oil or stickiness. It also has jojoba oil, which you guys know I truly love jojoba oil. It has some amazing hair growth properties, but in addition to that, it can be used to restore your hair from dryness. So if you have dry, damaged, permed, color treated hair, this is going to work for you.
Really good, guys.
A cool thing to remember about all of these products is that the Aromase Scalp Shampoo has no sulfates, no parabens, no artificial coloring, no soap, no silicone. It does have a mild acidic pH of 5.5, which is ideal for maintaining healthy scalp, okay? The amino acid surfactants cleans your scalp without irritating it, and to be honest with you guys, these products smell and feel amazing on the hair and the scalp, and they do the job.
So first of all, these are no sulfates, no parabens, no dyes, no soap, no silicone, has a mild acidic pH balance of 5.5. And because of its amino acid surfactant properties, this is going to make cleaning of the scalp really easy, and it's also not going to irritate the scalp when you cleanse it, okay? So these are super amazing, guys, and don't let me forget the anti-hair loss shampoo as well. All three of these products, I did try them all out today, and like I said, if you can see my hair, it's definitely very clean right now. It feels good, it feels better, it even looks a little better, you know, like I blow dried it afterwards. And it looks good, you know? So, ladies and gentlemen, I can't keep raving enough about these products because I just gave them a try this morning and literally had my day started off right, okay? They smell amazing. Amazing products from Aromase. Let me try that again. Amazing products from Aromase. We've got the 5A Juniper Scalp Purifying Liquid Shampoo. This is a pre-shampoo. You can use this before you shampoo, and it is going to, you can use it on dry hair. You don't have to wet your hair. It feels so amazing and so good. Then we also have the Anti-Hair Loss Essential Shampoo, which is available on their website as well. This is going to help to, you know, prevent hair loss. It's going to help stimulate hair growth and just, you know, helping to re-thicken your hair. You want to use this on wet hair. It's great lather, smells good, feels good on the scalp, so you're just going to love it. Finally, we have the Red Rose Damage Recovery Conditioner. Once again, this is going to really help to restore your hair from being dry, damaged, perm, color treated. This is just really going to help recover that damaged hair. It has great slip. It smells so delicious. It's going to get your day started right. So if you are interested in any of these products, then definitely click the link in the description box. Go check them out right now. These shampoo options are really going to, you're gonna like them, okay? Like I said, they smell so good that I literally probably would buy this just because of the way it smells, okay? But the fact that this one has jojoba oil in it, guys, you know jojoba oil, not only does it restore dry hair and color treated hair, etc., but jojoba oil is really, really great oil to stimulate hair growth as well. And if you're using the damage recovery conditioner with the anti-hair loss shampoo, I mean, obviously your hair, if you're having any thinning or any issues with your hair, if your edges is gone, honey, then definitely these are going to help you because the formulas are here for you, honey. The formulas are here to help restore dry, damaged, unhealthy hair. The formulas are here to repair and give you that silky, smooth, lustrous, shiny hair that you love, okay? This is what these products are here to do. So if you're interested, definitely click the link in the description box. I want to thank you all so much for tuning in today. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, smash that like button. I can't wait to see you in my next video. And hey, click the link down below in the description box to get any of these products from the website. I know you're going to love these guys, okay? All right, talk to you soon. Bye.